Welcome to Minyue Water Town, one of Fujian's most refined cultural landmarks, where ancient waterways, classical bridges, and preserved architecture come together to mirror the glory of the early Minyu civilization. Here, every stone pathway and curving canal speaks of a heritage that stretches back more than 2,000 years. In this town, culture is not only remembered, it is recreated with precision, from traditional folk performances to the quiet elegance of Fujian's ancient craftsmanship. Today, we explore a destination where history flows like water, shaping stories, memories, and identity. Minyue Water Town lies within Fuzhou, the capital city of Fujian province, an area historically known as the center of the ancient Minyu kingdom more than 2,000 years ago. The modern reconstruction of Minyue Water Town was developed as a large-scale cultural tourism project designed to revive the legacy of the Minyu people. Over the years, expansions, upgrades, and cultural preservation efforts have transformed this area into one of Fuzhou's signature attractions. One mysterious legend often told here concerns Fujian, the king of Yue, a historical figure whose resilience later became an inspiration across Chinese history. Some believe that the Minyu culture retained symbols and rituals connected to his lineage. Do you think these ancient stories still influence the cultural spirit of Fujian today? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Minyue Water Town is sometimes referred to as the living scroll of Fujian culture, thanks to its vivid reproduction of ancient daily life. Visitors often feel as if they are walking inside a painting of old southeastern China. One notable figure associated with the Minyu cultural region is the ancient navigator Wang Daiwan, a famous explorer from Fujian during the Yuan dynasty. He traveled across Southeast Asia, South Asia, and the Middle East, documenting detailed observations of foreign lands. His adventurous legacy echoes through Fujian's long maritime heritage, and local exhibitions in the water town often highlight his contributions to global navigation. The most iconic landmark within the town is the Grand Water Stage, an open-air performance zone built beside the lake. Often called the Pearl of Minyu Nights, this stage hosts large-scale folk performances and traditional water lantern festivals that illuminate the entire town. If you enjoy these cultural journeys, remember to subscribe to the channel and support our work. Minyue Water Town reflects the cultural traditions of the diverse groups living in Fujian, including the Han, the Shi ethnic community, and various local subcultures shaped by mountains and rivers. The dominant language spoken in the region is the Fuzhou dialect, a branch of the Eastern Min linguistic family, known for its distinct tones and unique rhythm. Traditional crafts such as lacquerware, wood carving, and temple decorations are frequently demonstrated in the town's artisan workshops, allowing visitors to witness craftsmanship preserved through generations. The creation of Minyue Water Town represents one of Fuzhou's key cultural tourism milestones. It contributes significantly to the city's service economy, tourism sector, and cultural brand building. Compared with other water-themed cultural towns in China, Minyue Water Town distinguishes itself through its strong historical foundation and integration of Fujian's maritime legacy. It serves not only as a tourist attraction, but also as a catalyst for local businesses, craft industries, and cultural revival efforts across the region. Architecturally, the town blends traditional Fujian brickwood structures, curved eaves, stone bridges, and waterside corridors. The combination of restored historical elements and modern urban planning reflects Fuzhou's strategy of preserving identity while supporting tourism development. Its location within Fuzhou's rapidly evolving urban area ensures convenient access through highways, metro lines, and public transportation. Compared with other coastal cultural sites in southeastern China, Minyu Water Town stands out for its balance between heritage preservation and contemporary city life. Looking toward the future, development plans aim to expand cultural exhibitions, strengthen environmental preservation, and enhance international cultural exchange. Officials hope to position Minyue Water Town as a landmark not only in Fujian, but also in the broader cultural tourism landscape of East Asia. Have you visited Minyue Water Town before? What impressed you the most? The performances, the architecture, or the peaceful waterways? Share your impressions in the comments section below.